it all starts to disappear. It may get harder, cause you just restarted. And wherever you are, land on another star. It may get harder, cause you just restarted.
You better get realize that the situation's going nowhere. Because you act so dumb, totally lost control.
As the dust clears and it all starts to disappear.
Some people know me as Andy. Others know me by David. Truthfully, it don't matter. I fucking love music. I mean, I got it tatted on me, literally. I am a music producer, songwriter, musician, a creator. I have big dreams of making it big one day. I mean, honestly, I just want to make a living off of it. I don't really like the spotlight. Because of that, I feel like I'm gonna end up with it. I'm a low-key, laid-back individual. I don't like to broadcast a lot. Although I should, if I want to get noticed. I don't know. I love the feeling of inspiration. It's like a tingly hype feeling. I don't know how to explain it.
Dixon. Yeah. Yeah. So I was working on this.
That's my brother, Dixon. Although he preferred to be called Joel. I love the sample. Because Kanye West is my idol, my mentor, and he's just one of many.
As we go, we're gonna,
I can't sound like my brother, so songs like that, I just give it to him.
yeah. So go try to lay that down real quick. Alright. Man, I hate when that happens, man.
About to go do his thing. Sound checking.